I'm extremely interested in plasma because 99% of the known universe is in a plasma state.
Plasma, gas plasma, that helps us to illustrate or show that rotating tendency, that when we put it inside, it will turn plasma clockwise. You see the tendency to right. And again, if we go inside, it is spontaneously rotating. It shows that the magnetic lines are actually, they have spin.
So plasma is the fourth state of matter. So you have a solid, then a liquid, then a gas, and then a plasma. And a plasma is essentially a very energetic gas.
Plasma isn't easy to control, so how do you control plasma?
Because as I said, you have a fuel which is incredibly hot, so you need to keep it away from the wall of the reactor, and we do that by creating a sort of magnetic cage, a magnetic bottle to hold the fuel in.
Okay.
Look at Greenland.
Okay.
Now look at Africa.
Okay.
Would it blow your mind if I told you that Africa is in reality 14 times larger?
Yes.
Truman grew up, we were forced to manufacture ways to keep him on the island.
I like to be an explorer, like the Great Magellan.
Oh, you're too late. There's really nothing left to explore.
Current methods for tracking aircraft depend on radar, which has a limited range, and a radio system called ADS-B. This allows an aircraft to broadcast signals to ground stations, which can then be used to calculate its position. However, the system doesn't work if there are no ground stations in a direct line of sight to the aircraft. As a result, planes cannot be tracked over oceans or in very remote areas such as the polar regions.
It's like if it was like a topological map, it's mostly flat with a few short buildings and then some very tall spires. Very tall spires. And unless you're on that very tall spire, it's not obvious what the topology is.
Again the devil taketh him up into an exceeding high mountain, and showeth him all the kingdoms of the world, and the glory of them, and saith unto him, All these things will I give thee, if thou wilt fall down and worship me. Then saith Jesus unto him, Get thee hence, Satan, for it is written, Thou shalt worship the Lord thy God, and him only shalt thou serve.
The Bible is a flat earth book. Jesus Christ ascended straight up.
Jesus never said the earth was flat.
Oh, yes, he ascended up and down. Heaven is above the earth. In fact, and the only part of the Bible that's claimed written by God himself is the Ten Commandments. And within those commandments you'll find in Exodus 24, it states the earth is flat. It states you shall not make a graven image and from heaven above or earth beneath or the water underneath the earth. In other words, that says the world is flat. See, the whole point of all hope is it's to do away with Christianity, to do away with sanity.
But our time is going.
And after these things I saw 4 angels standing on the 4 corners of the earth, holding the 4 winds of the earth, that the wind should not blow on the earth, nor on the sea, nor on any tree. Be thou exalted, O God, above the heavens, let thy glory be above all the earth.